Good morning, friends. My name is Miss G, and I'm super excited today because we are going to do the calendar together. All right, friends, so let's get started. So, can you find for me on your screen the purple star? Yeah, here it is. So, if you find the purple star, you will see that it is on the number 8 because today is the 8th day of September. Okay, so let's now move on to today's date. So today's date, listen to what I say first. Tuesday, September 8th, 2020. All right, now it's your turn. Can you say today's date for me? Awesome. Now let's say it together. Today is Tuesday, September 8th, 2020. All right, friends, now let's take a look at the green box. The green box says, today is. What day is today? Can you remind me? Right, today is Tuesday. So I'm going to move the Tuesday box into the green box. Okay, now let's take a look at the pink box. The pink box says yesterday was. If today is Tuesday, then that means that yesterday was Monday. So I'm going to go ahead and move the Monday box into the pink box. Okay, now let's take a look at the blue box. The blue box says, tomorrow will be. If today is Tuesday, then that means tomorrow will be Wednesday. Great job. So I'm going to go ahead and move the Wednesday into the blue box. All right, friends, now can we read these all together, starting with the pink box? You ready? 1, 2, 3. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Great job. I'm giving you a high five. All right, now let's move on to the weather report. So if you take a look in this pink box, it says temperature, and below temperature, it says 87 degrees. Okay, now if you look where my mouse is, it is right around this little circle. Do you know what this little circle means? This little circle is a symbol for degrees. So when we see this little circle next to a number, we know that the number is talking about a temperature. So when we see 87 with the little circle, we know that it's saying 87 degrees. And if there wasn't a little circle, we wouldn't know. Are they talking about 87 dogs or 87 cats? What are they talking about? But because we see this little circle, we know that it means 87 degrees. Now, if you take a look at this red line, you can see that this red line is pretty big. Do you know what it means when the red line is big like this one? When the red line is big like this one, you know that it's going to be pretty warm out today. So if the red line was smaller, what would that mean? If the red line was smaller, we would know that this is showing that it is going to be cooler today or not as warm. But since the red line is pretty big, we know that today is going to be pretty hot. Okay, and if you take a look here in the green box, it says forecast. And since we know it's going to be pretty hot today and 87 degrees, we know that today is going to be sunny. And down here in the blue box, it says today it is warm, because today is going to be very warm. Okay, now let's move on to the weather graph. Now, friends, can you remind me, what is the forecast for today? Is it going to be snowing? Is it going to be raining? What is it going to be? Sunny. Today is going to be sunny, so I'm going to go ahead and move a pink rectangle into the sunny row. So I know right now we only have one rectangle, one colorful rectangle on our chart, but at the end of the week, we'll be able to see what type of weather we had the most this week. Was it mostly sunny this week? Was it mostly raining this week? Windy? Was it snowing this week? So definitely at the end of the week, we'll be able to count together which weather we had the most. Okay, now we're moving on to a super fun slide. This slide is the number of days in school. How many days of school have we had so far? So up here you can see that there are orange stars that have filled in a 10 frame. So friends, can you help me count together? Can you help me count the amount of orange stars in this 10 frame? Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job. So we have filled up one 10 frame with orange stars. Now let's take a look at the second 10 frame. So what number did we just count up to? Can you remind me? 10. And after 10 comes 11. So we're going to start off in counting this 10 frame by saying 11. All right, let's count this together. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Awesome job. So we have had 19 days of school so far. Now, friends, I have a question. How many more days of school do we need to have until we can fill up a second 10 frame? 1. So after one more day of school, we will have filled up a second 10 frame. That's pretty cool. All right, friends, now we're going to move on to the last part of calendar. Here we go. Patterns. So I have, sorry about that. I have a question. First, can we read the color of the teddy bears together? Are you ready? Let's go. Orange, green, green, orange. Which color teddy bear is missing in this row? Green. Awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and move a green teddy bear into this row to finish this pattern. How about this row? Let's say the colors of the teddy bears together. We have blue, light blue, purple, blue. What color teddy bear comes next? Light blue. Awesome. Okay, friends, we have one more pattern left to finish. Okay, let's read the color of the teddy bears together. We have red, pink, red, pink. What color teddy bear comes next? Red. Awesome job. Alright friends, that is all we have for calendar today. Great job, and I cannot wait to do calendar together again next time. Have a great rest of your day. Bye!